show you how to make a chicken biryani now. Chicken biryani is rice, chicken cooked with rice, and it's a very quick and easy way I make in a instant pot. I hope you like it. I'll show you from the beginning how I'm doing everything. It's a very quick and easy. Only thing it takes time is marination. You can marinate anywhere from half an hour to 5 hours or 6 hours. Okay, I'm going to take it's about a little over 2 pounds of chicken. Whole chicken cut up will be better. We don't use skin on the chicken, like it's skinned and cut into pieces, small size, this big pieces, all of them. Like this is, you can find it in Indian store, how you want it for Indian cooking. So that's where we buy it. This is ginger garlic paste, salt, chili powder, red chili powder. Turmeric is optional. If you want, you can. You don't have to if you don't know how to. This is mint. I cut them into pieces, like you don't have to. So this is about 1 cup of 3/4 cup of mint, and about a half cup of cilantro. I took like fresh cilantro. That you see a lot of stalks than actual cilantro. This is my old last week's leftover. I can use the new one, the one I got yesterday, but I want to show you guys you don't have to waste the stalks. You can use when you're cooking like this something, you can use it. That stalks also have very good flavor. I have very little leaves, but most of it's stalks, so which is okay. I can use it. So all these in there, goes in there, and yogurt, homemade plain yogurt. You can use any yogurt, store-bought also, but since I make it at home, which is ready, so I'm just about to put it in the fridge. So it's about a half a cup of it, not a whole lot. So let's mix it now. Mix it and keep it in the refrigerator. Marinate it in the refrigerator. Don't do it outside. And leave it for half an hour to 5 hours, anytime between. I'll come back in about half an hour. I won't do 5 hours, but in half an hour probably. Let me see how the day goes, and I'll show you rest of it afterwards. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half almost a couple of hours since I marinated the chicken. It's good. We can start cooking biryani now. And for this, chicken is about a little over 2 pounds, so I took 2 cups of rice, 2 measuring cups of rice. Not the rice cooker cups, it's a measuring cup of rice. There is a slight difference, both of them. Instant pot on, and it started. I put it on a saute mode. Little oil, and this is a clarified butter or ghee, what we call, like I take a big spoon of it. While that is warming up, let me show you what else I have. I have a tablespoon of lemon juice ready, about 1/3, maybe 1/3 cup of milk, just any milk, like whole milk or 2% or anything. I would prefer 2% or whole. This is 2% I took, because 1% skim milk, all those are very light. And this, for the 2 cups of rice, I took 2 cups of water. And this rice is washed until it's clear, and then left it in the water so we can take it out when we need it. We don't need to take the water out now, because that's going to break the rice and it's not going to look good. And these are the air fryer oven. I just cut them and put them in the air fryer, spray a little oil and put it in the air fryer until they are brown like this. They are not all going to be evenly brown, but I keep it in the freezer. You can get it in the Indian stores also, fried onions, and this is what we use for the biryani. I always keep this ready. And also this is biryani masala I made. I'm going to use a couple of teaspoons of this. So when the oil is warm now, all the butter melt, the clarified butter melt. So now I'm going to put the chicken in there. See, how much ever you remove it, the little spices are going to left over there. So the water I took out for cooking, the 2 cups of water I measured out, I'm going to use that to clean this and keep it in there, the water. So that way all the spices will go into the water, so that way we don't lose any spices. See, I'll show you. This is how I do it. I put that water in here and clean that with the spoon, so we don't lose any spices. So this kind of takes a little time to fry this part, all of it. We need to cook it a little bit until the chicken is fried well. So if you notice, there is a lot of gravy in here, lot of it. It's kind of little cooked, not a whole lot. But the problem with the instant pot is you have to get the rice very good consistency. You have to put 1:1, not 1:2. Usually when you put the rice in the rice cooker, we usually do it 1:2. Like for 1 cup of rice we use 2 cups of water, but in instant pot you need to use only 1:1. So we may not need all the water. We got it, we took, and let me turn off the saute. I turned it off, saute mode. Now what I do is put this onions on the top. I'm still leaving some more for the, so let me take out all the water in the rice. I couldn't drain all of them, so I'm using this spoon. I'll just put it on the top like this. So this can drain some of the water if anything left over. You spread it all around like this, and then you put the rest of the onions on the top. If you want, you can put some more mint too, but we had enough already. So the milk is important, so I added some of the saffron in there in the milk, so it can melt in color. Actually, it doesn't really, saffron is for flavor also. For the color, it doesn't really make any sense in using any color or anything in the, when you are making it in the instant pot, because instant pot is going to make it won't keep the layers. It will just cook everything. So because the rice is being cooked in here, you don't see those layers you actually see in the biryani. So put there, and now the lemon juice. here little, here little, here little. It's all going to get cooked anyway. It really doesn't make any sense to try to get the layers on it. See this garam masala, I should have put some in the what do you call, in the chicken, but I forgot. You can do some in the chicken and also some here. So I'm trying to push it in, like put it, make a hole here so it can reach the chicken. So overall I'm putting like two teaspoons of it. So that gives good flavor to the biryani. So it's going to cook anyway. I don't understand why I'm doing it. Anyway, so we don't need all this water for now. So let's do just a half of it. Spread it all around. Okay, I put it a little more than half. Anyway, now I took some roasted cashews, putting on the top. Okay. Don't drop anything here. Okay, now the setting, we need to put the lid on the top. I think this goes. Yes, successful. Make sure this is down all the way. So another thing is, if it is not all the way down, you need to turn it and make sure it is down all the way. All the pressure is going to be released, and then it won't do a good job. So this should go down. When the pressure is on, this is going to come up like up to here, like little up over the hole there. And now what I'm doing is I'm pressing the rice button, which is giving. See, I press the rice button. It is 12 minutes. So I'll come back in 12 minutes. It started. You see, this one, after 12 minutes I'll come. This will be up here. Now then I'm going to press that, not with the hand, with a spoon. I'll show you how you do that. It just beeped, came here, it was off. I did turn the keep warm button off when I turned it on. I didn't show you in the video, but we don't need to keep it warm. So all we need now is take the pressure out. We don't need all that pressure. Rice will be mushy otherwise. So either you can do it this way, or you can just push it on this one. It's all done. You can unplug this, or you can leave it, because it's not going to cook anymore. It's off. Unless all the pressure is gone, it's not going to open for us. That may be slightly, because the button is also not all the way down. If you notice, all that little pressure also need to get out so that we can open. See, now it is open. Look. It's so good. It smells so good. Look at the rice, how it is. It's not mushy. It's very grainy and nice, well cooked. I can show so it is cooked well, and also it's not too dry, not too wet. The chicken also cooked well. I'll take it out into a different dish and show you how it is. It looks so good, and I bet it tastes good too. So that's it. It's the easiest recipe. You can garnish it with cilantro or anything if you would like to, but I'm not going to do that. If you like, press the like button, or share, subscribe. follow me, so that way I can you can watch all my videos. I'll post a lot of these easy and tasty recipes and some sewing projects too. Thank you for watching.